Hi, welcome to the Witch in the Woods. It's spring again, hooray! And it's a really good excuse to go outside and do some foraging. So today what I wanted to do was work with the beautiful plant Dandelion. So what I wanted to do today was talk about Dandelion and its uses in magic. So Dandelion, by a virtue of it looking at the sun and opening in the sunlight and being a bright flower that is linked to the sun and to masculine energy, works very well with all issues to do with power and the solar plexus. So I thought we could do a small spell combining a recipe that I found online to do with power and success using dandelion heads. I've adapted this, so you could use dandelions in any way, but most importantly to remember that they help with your personal power, with success, with jobs and careers, with your self-confidence, and with your own personal magnetism and dynamism. So if you're feeling like you need a little confidence boost, maybe a bit of that sun energy, then perhaps you would want to do this spell. briefly washed my dandelions and I'm drying this off because what I'm going to do is I'm going to fry the dandelion heads in batter, which apparently is quite tasty. So obviously the drier they are, the better. So just giving those a minute for the water to drain off them while we make a batter. So for this spell, I wanted to work on money and wealth and personal success. So I'm going to work that into my batter as I make it, then into the ingredients and then into the product itself. So I've added an egg. I'm going to add half a cup of flour, half a cup of milk, I've got some herb mare, but any salt you've got, just to season it. Some pepper. And maybe a little bit of water. So as I whisk this, I'm going to think of stirring up personal energy. Moving sunwise and stirring up the power of the sun. It's quite good. I'll just add a tiny bit of water. As I'm doing that, I'm kind of seeing it being charged with my intent. So as I'm making this batter, I'm going to say a rhyme that I made up. You can make up your own. I'm going to use the life I love best, but you could use the job that I want best, or any other kind of addition to the basic rhyme that you like. So, as I whisk it, I'm going to say, now I manifest the life I love the best, with wealth and power it is blessed. I didn't count, but I suppose you could stir that 3 times, or 6 times, or 9 times, or any multiple of those, just to add a little extra power to what you're doing. So the recipe itself is quite simple. You just take dandelion heads, coat them in batter and fry them in hot oil. Again, if you want to think of your spell, whatever you want to manifest with the golden dynamic power of dandelion, you could do this as you add your ingredients. Now manifest the life I love best. It brings money and success. I now manifest the life I love best. It brings money and success. Very indulgent, deep fried. There you go. Just to be sure, say it again. I now manifest the life I love best. With money and success, it is blessed. And then, of course, you eat them. They're actually quite tasty. Tastes quite delicate. And of course, quite battery. But there you go. A very simple kitchen spell using the sunny power of Dandelion to manifest success. I suppose you could use it for happiness, gaining a job, personal power, self-confidence. The possibilities are endless. I'm so hungry. Well, that's it. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for liking. And I'll speak to you all again soon. Cheers. Bye. Oh, and one last final tip. If you want to use up the rest of your batter, you could always add chopped nettles into it and make a nettle pancake, which is actually quite tasty. Okay, cheers. Bye. Oh, nom nom nom. Nom. Right.